Watch this video and learn how to draw a lion.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow!
Hello, Artie. How are you?
Very well. How are you?
Well, I'm very well also, thank you.
Good. Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Very, very excited.
Do you know what we're going to draw? It's one of your favourite animals.
Yeah. Okay.
A lion.
Yay! Happy, 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 happy.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Artie? Artie? Are you ready to start drawing the lion?
Okay.
Wow, what an awesome day to do some art!
My goodness, yes it is.
Let's start by drawing the left eye. We'll draw a circle in the middle of the page, just to the left. That's right, Artie. Then let's draw another circle, a smaller one, inside of that one. And now let's draw another circle, a smaller one, inside the second one. It looks like one eye staring at us. Let's draw the second eye, the right eye. Another circle. That's it, Artie. And then a circle inside of the first one. And another circle inside of the second circle. Shade it in black. Great job.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's draw the left side of our lion's face. A squiggly shape on the left, a squiggly shape on the right, and then let's connect those shapes together with a sort of heart shape. Fantastic! Now, Artie, let's draw the left side of the bottom of the lion's face. He's got a very funny shaped face. Now let's draw the right ear, a big circle shape. Now let's draw an S shape inside of the ear. Draw an S and then come all the way round following the bottom of the ear.
I can see Artie's creative mind at work.
Now let's draw the left ear. We're going to try and make it look exactly the same as the right ear, but a reflected view. That means a view as if you're looking at it through a mirror, an exact copy. Now let's draw a little cute nose. We'll draw a triangle, but with curved corners. Draw a tiny circle at the top, and then let's shade the nose in black, but keep the circle white. That will look like a reflection, like our lion has a little shiny nose. Let's draw the top part of his mouth. From the nose, draw a circle coming down. And now do the same on the left side. Finally, let's do the bottom part of his mouth, just a little U shape. Let's give him some eyebrows. Just draw two little triangles and shade them in black. One on the left, and of course one on the right. Now he looks way cuter.
This looks great, but I can't tell what it is yet.
Now let's draw the lion's mane. A mane is the hair that surrounds a lion's face. Did you know, Artie, that lady lions don't have a mane?
Oh.
That's right. Only male lions have a mane.
Oh.
What's up, Artie? You really want a cartoon break? Okay, we can stop and have a cartoon break. Go on then, Artie. Off you go.
This painting was created by an artist called Vincent van Gogh.
I like the flowers. Are they roses?
No, Mikey, the painting is called Sunflowers.
They don't smell like flowers.
It's paint.
They still look pretty.
They certainly do. This is a famous painting called the Hay Wain.
The horse and cart is in the river.
Yes, that's a farmer, and he's taking his crops across the water to another field. This painting was done by a British artist called John Constable.
Wow, I really feel like I'm right there in the painting.
Good art will do that to you, Mikey. It transports you away to the scene.
Oh, look, there's a dog too.
Come along to the next room. This painting is called Ballet Rehearsal on Stage,
What's ballet?
a type of dancing. This was painted by French artist Degas.
Look at all those ladies on stage in their pretty dresses.
That's right, they are practicing their dancing.
Wow, I feel like I'm really there again.
Now let's transport and go get some ice cream.
What a great cartoon break, Artie. We learned all about famous paintings. Speaking of famous art, should we carry on with your drawing?
Yeah, okay.
Let's draw the mane on the left side. Lots of spiky triangle shapes. Keep going down towards the bottom, Artie. Now let's draw the mane on the right side. Start under the ear and draw lots of triangular spiky shapes coming all the way down below his chin. It looks like he has a beard, Artie. Remember that gap we left in the bottom of his face? Now we can fill it in with more spiky fur. Let's finish the bottom of his mane, right underneath his chin, with a special big piece of spiky fur. Good job, Artie. Now how about we draw some feet? An upside down U shape on the left, and of course another one on the right. Now draw a little U in the middle of each foot. One on the right, one on the left. And then, for good measure, let's add a toe on the left and a toe on the right.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Let's connect those feet to the lion's head with some legs. And now we can draw the lion's back legs, a straight line down with a big curve. And one on the left as well. Now we can draw his back feet. Remember what we did with the front feet? Upside down U's, and then correct way up U in the middle. Another one on the left, and then let's add some toes. You know, Artie, lions have big tails that swish around. Should we add a tail? Draw an S-shaped line that comes from the right side of his body, and then another one underneath. And then let's draw a bushy end to the tail. That looks so good, Artie. Are you finished? It looks like it. You're finished. I thought so, Artie. Wow, I can't wait to see him coloured in. He's going to look really good with some colour.
Color it in. Color it in. Color it in.
Wow, Artie, he looks so good. I love how you use brown for his fur and some orange. And I especially love that you did a little pink tongue.
That turned out so good.
It's amazing.
Thanks for watching, little artists. We'll see you next time. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.